service with the society, especially the poor and the needy. From that point of view, or at that perspective, this project is very apt. This unit is supposed to be going around to the various towns and the various cities and also the remotest villages in this country to provide medical care by conducting camps so that the service is provided at the very doorsteps of the poor and the needy. I'm sure the support, technical as well as the managerial support from Madras Medical Mission will prove this project to be a great success. Now, let me come to the point where I'm really here for. I take this opportunity to welcome His Grace. I think he is not here. And Dr. Ajit, Mr. Philip, Mr. John. I don't know the names of the fathers who are here. Welcome. And the other dignitaries from Trippuram, my colleagues from Johnson West. Wishing you a very warm welcome. And I'm sure today is one of the happiest days for Dr. Ajit, since he is the prime motivator of this particular project. I wish Dr. Ajit and his team all the very best, and I'm sure he's going to bring a lot of laurels to the Madras Medical Mission. I wish once again the very best. Take care. Thank you so much.
Which I'm not expert like my colleague Thomas. Good evening, His Grace Dr. Yohanan R. Dioscorus, Dr. Ajit Mullasheri, Mr. M.M. Philip, and other dignitaries and doctors from MML, and my colleagues in Johnson Lives and invitees. My first close and intimate encounter with a person suffering from a cardiac disease was in 1993. A close relative of mine in Kerala, a doctor in his early 40s, suffered a heart attack, and I remember the panic and confusion it caused the dear ones. Especially in those days, a cardiac event was considered a death penalty. Fortunately, Chennai had made great strides in cardiac intervention, and it was bypass, even though not as common or as successful as today, but gave hope to those suffering the disease. He was brought to Chennai to the railway hospital and a bypass performed and lives happily up to the ripe age of 70 plus. Today, cardiac intervention surgeries have progressed all over the country, and normal bypass and angioplasty procedures are commonplace in most large cities. However, this is not so in rural population, where heart diseases and fatality is quite high. Most people in large cities have the possibility of early intervention and access to good quality health care. When Dr. Ajit and Dr. Roy Jacob talked to me in 2019 regarding a new mobile diagnostic unit and the usefulness of reaching people and checking their health and possibility of saving lives by this, I readily agreed to support this cause of MMM. I know MMM for many years. Even at the inception, funds were collected for the building of the current hospital and my father making the requested donation. Over the years, we've been supporting MMM, and this is our second CSR funding to MMM. MMM, I believe, is a mission hospital where service for humankind is paramount. The doctors in MMM are dedicated and true to their profession. I've had the privilege of knowing a few personally. The passion for what they do always stands out. Not only in the cardiac area, I had the privilege of interacting with Dr. Ashok Chaku as well, who was a thorough professional and at the same time human. I find this running throughout all departments of MM medical units. I visit MMM once in 2 years for a checkup with Dr. Ajit and always end up visiting Dr. Tirumurthy for the thallium check. And both the TMT and under the scanner, he would assure me that everything is all right and nothing was wrong. And the end of it all, I would be called to see him in the room, and he would smile and tell me that all is well. No changes, and send me down to Dr. Ajit. Apart from this, many a time I had friends and colleagues staff from Johnson Lives who required to be treated in MMM. Not once did I hear a complaint, and all had good things to say about the treatment and the healing received. I take great pride in being associated with MMM and the doctors in the hospital. Johnson Lives CSR activity is mainly concentrated in two areas, health and education. 90% of our CSR activity funds is focused on this. Both these areas of our funding, I believe, are the fundamental requirements. Education to help people move up in their lives. A child educated gives a country its future. Health takes down families, as we can see in the present pandemic, and depletes the entire savings and meager wealth accumulated over generations. Our future CSR will focus on these two areas and hope we'll be able to participate in such endeavors. I wish the mobile diagnostic unit the desired expectations and maximum people are benefited. I hope patients diagnosed for cardiac intervention are given a concession in their treatment and medical cost. I also thank the doctors who conducted the first medical camp at the factory, and I hope no one is found guilty. Thank you.
I am Dr. Mulesheri Ajit Shankar Das, Director of Cardiology, Madras Medical Mission. This is a great opportunity for the inauguration of a bus, which is basically a state-of-art diagnostic cardiac bus with all the facilities which you will have in a major hospital in Chennai of India. It has all blood testing facility, ECG, echo, treadmill test, and all the other investigations that are required to diagnose heart problems. The aim is to go to rural India, see the patients in rural small towns, see the patients, diagnose their problems and advise what needs to be done in terms of medications, in terms of surgery, and in terms of treatment. And then they could, if they want, come to Madras Medical Mission Hospital and get treated at a very concessional rate, which is again helped for the patients. So this is last 30 years Madras Medical Mission has been doing it, and it continues to do multiple camps in multiple parts of the country, which has served more than 100,000 patients in Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and given surgeries for more than 12,500 patients at affordable costs, who, especially children, for heart surgery all over the state. Tamil Pesia, ஒரு நியூ வெஞ்சராக இருக்கு. மெட்ராஸ் மெடிக்கல் மிஷன் ஆஸ்பத்திரியும் ஜான்சன் லிவ்ஸோட இது ஒரு பஸ் இருக்கு. அதில் மல்டி டயக்னாஸ்டிக் பஸ்ஸாக இருக்குது. அதில் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் இசிஜி, எக்கோ, ட்ரெட்மில் டெஸ்ட், பிளட் டெஸ்ட் எல்லாமே இதில் ஆற்றுல பண்ண முடியும். ஹெல்த் கேம்ப்ஸ் தமிழ்நாடு, கேரளாவில் ரூரல் ஏரியாஸில் பண்ணிவிட்டு அங்கே பேஷண்ட்ஸை ஷார்ட் லிஸ்ட் பண்ணி அங்கே ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டுக்கு மருந்து அங்கே ப்ரிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி, அது சர்ஜிக்கல் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் இருந்தால் மெட்ராஸ் மிஷன் ஆஸ்பத்திரியில் வந்து கன்செஷன் ரேட்டில் பண்ண முடியும். இது இப்படி பண்ணியா பேஷண்ட்ஸுக்கு சென்னை சிட்டி மெட்ராஸ் மெடிக்கல் மிஷன் ஆஸ்பத்திரியில் வர முடியாது. பிகாஸ் அவர் ஆக்சஸ் டு கேர் இருக்காது. அப்புறம் அங்கே போய் பண்ணியா அவருக்கு கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்கும். அவருக்கு காஸ்ட் வராது. ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் எல்லாமே வருதுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் காஸ்ட் வராது. அண்ட் அப்படி நம்ம லாஸ்ட் 30 இயர்ஸில் மோர் தென் 50,000 பேஷண்ட்ஸ்க்கு சர்ஜரி பண்ணியிருக்கேன் மெட்ராஸ் மெடிக்கல் மிஷன் ஆஸ்பத்திரியில். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வெஞ்சர் வித் அ நியூ பஸ். இன்றைக்கி தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேம்ப் இங்கே ஜான்சன் லிவ்ஸ் ப்ரெமைஸில் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அண்ட் அது ஸ்லோவாக இது பேண்டமிக் முடிஞ்சால் எல்லாமே கவர்மெண்டல் கிளியரன்சஸ் வந்தால் அங்கே எல்லாமே பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் உங்களை எல்லாமே வர்றதுக்கு, அண்ட் உங்களோட பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ் இருக்கணும் ஈவென்ச்சருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.